Hello everyone, this is Robyn. Welcome to mypinkstamper.com. I have a super quick and easy tutorial for you today showing you how to make a fun Christmas tag for your Christmas projects this year and your gifts. Alright, so I'm going to jump right in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here with me. You can find everything you see in today's video directly from my shopping page, shop.mypinkstamper.com. I'll have the item code along with the item description directly on the screen at the end of this video and in the description down below of this YouTube video. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm using the Perfectly Plaid bundle with the pine tree punch, and I am going to be starting with the our Night of Navy ink pad, and I'm going to be stamping that onto a piece of our Whisper white cardstock. The two stamps in the stamp set that I'm using today are the plaid tree and also the ho 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 right here. So I will ink up the plaid tree. This stamp set is photopolymer, so it helps if you stamp with a foam pad underneath or a pad of paper. I'll just ink that up and stamp it right there. Whoops. And I'm also going to be stamping the ho 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 on here as well. Okay, so now I'm using the pine tree punch, and I'm punching out. So fun and easy. Now I'm using our label punch. I'll have the name of it with the item code on the screen for you. I'm going to just punch that out right there. And now I'm going to grab a piece of our gold foil paper. This is cut 2 inches by 4 inches. All right, now I'm going to grab our tag topper. I'm going to have the name of it on the screen for you today. I don't have this in front of me. Now, what's great about this topper for tags is you can make them any size from 1 inch to 2 inches. So 1.5 to 2 inch width. It's kind of like our triple banner punch. So I'm going to stick this in here and punch that. Now I have my tag super easy. Also, I'm going to grab some of our gold glimmer paper and I'm going to punch out another tree. So pretty. And I'm going to start layering this up and putting it together. I'm going to use our glue dots. And I'm going to put some dots on the left side of the tree. That helps it to stick on top of the glimmer paper. Just squeeze it right in there. Now I'm going to grab a piece of our, I think it's called, let me think about it for a minute, Wrapped in Plaid Designer Series paper. This comes in sheets of 6 by 6, and I'll have a picture of this on the screen to show you, probably on that side, to show you all of the different varieties of designer paper you get in this package, or this pack. All right, this is cut 1 3/4 by 3 inches, and I'm just going to run some of our adhesive down the sides and add this right on here. Now I'm going to take some Stampin' Dimensionals and some of our mini Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm going to add the regular dimensionals on the trees. There's more than one tree here. All right. And I'm just going to put this close to the top up here. And I'm going to take our strip with our ho 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 on it, and I'm going to grab just a couple of our mini dimensionals, the babies. I call them our baby dimensionals. and take the backings off. And I'm going to put this right here. So fun. And now to finish this off, I'm going to use some coordinating ribbon. This is our shaded spruce and gold ribbon. And I'm just going to cut a little bit off and make sure that these are going in the same direction. Okay. And now this is how I do this. Put them together and then run them from the front to the back through this hole that's already punched out, which is so nice. And now you have this little loop right here. I stick my fingers in here and I grab this and just carefully tug at it. And then I have my tag, and I can use this to tie it onto a present, a gift and a present. I guess that's the same thing. All right, now I'm going to show you a variety. I made more of these tags. Actually, some of you may have seen me make these live on my live show last week on my Facebook page, My Pink Stamper. And I demonstrated using the same paper, but just a different selection from this pack. And then I used shaded spruce instead of Night of Navy. So I hope you enjoyed today's quick and simple video tutorial. And you can find more video tutorials, projects, and lots of fun content on my blog, mypinkstamper.com. If you like what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment because I love to hear from you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.